This is the elevator here at the Taylor Scott building. Here we got a Dover Impulse. Going up to 3. Here we go. Down to 1. ADA phone. Looking at the door track, it might have been modded from something else. As you can see, it does have an old bumper. Here we go. I love the golden brass chrome paneling this thing has. Here's a view of the cab. Very nice elevator. There's your indicator. And there's your impulse fixtures. It's probably a late 80s, early 90s install. I love the lobby. There it goes.